up guys, it's Jake.
Steve.
From fastrenovations.ca. So we're on a new job today. We got the bin outside. We're going to be doing some demos. As you can see, we already started to do some paperwork for the floor so we don't destroy it. So essentially what we're doing here is we're dropping this, we're going to be demoing this speckled ceiling. We're going to be putting in coffered ceilings with spotlights. Nice job here. Also what we're going to be doing on this job site is making a walk-in big closet. So we're going to be expanding these doors because there's two little closets on the side. We're putting barn doors here, so it's a walk through to the bathroom over there. So these walls are going to be expanded. We're going to be laying out the full paper here, taking down all of this. Stay tuned guys, and we'll show you how that goes. What's up guys, it's Jake and
Steve.
from fastrenovations.ca. So welcome back to the job site. As you can see, there's a lot going on here. We're going to be finishing the coffered ceilings here. As you can see, it's going to look beautiful. We'll have the after photos for you. We also have this interesting mechanism working here. This pump is coming from outside. This is attic insulation, as you can see, because we took a picture of the previous insulation and there were serious infestations. So we have a guy up there spraying the insulation. That's the right way to do it, right? So we'll be doing the ceilings today, finishing up, and also doing the rest of the mud, which is going to be needed. Then we're going to sand and obviously paint. So stay tuned, guys. See you later.
Beautiful. Hello everybody, Steve
And Jake
from fastrenovations.ca. So you can take a peek here. Tedious, hundreds of cuts. Jake went around and dapped every single joint on all the trim that you did. If you look here, guys, this is the corner cove. So you can see how many squares there are, but we're all sanded up. We're all ready for primer. So that's what we're going to work on today. So here is a sprayer. Why? Because nobody wants to cut that with a brush for 4 days. So we're going to use this. Here's the regular primer from Dulux, our supplier. Thank you, Dulux. So what I do, to a little secret, is 2 caps of water. Maybe 1.5. And we're gonna mix that. So we're diluting the primer very, very little, and that's gonna help it get through the sprayer at a better, more consistent fluid pace. Stay tuned.
Steve from fastrenovations.ca. So today is the last day on the job. As you can see, we kind of showed you what we did before with the coffered ceilings. We painted the whole room. We have all of the shelving essentially custom coming from IKEA coming into the big closet. We're going to be putting up the hardware here for the barn door. Thanks Kara for designing and organizing all of that for us. So as you can see, 6 huge panels in here. Nice chandelier, everything repainted. We extended this. And we're going to be finishing out, taking off the paper from the floor and showing you the final pics, guys, so stay tuned. What's up guys, it's Jake.
Steve.
From fastrenovations.ca. So we're going to be taking you through the final of the project. So come on in, take a look. So the inspiration behind this essentially was not only the ceiling, but we'll take you through over here through the barn doors was the open closet. So this is a master, pull this through and you can see his and her side of the closet. And shoe racks, got the chandelier in here. We moved the attic access to the other side. So we had some speed bumps, so we made it work all within, or under actually, 2 weeks. So worked out quite well. And guys, stay tuned for the next project, all right?